As we begin to emerge from the COVID pandemic, it is clear that many UK businesses will face tough decisions on navigating the road ahead. The past 18 months has created cash shortfalls within historically profitable businesses, leading to an increased uptake for our equity match service, which connects owner-managed businesses with a hand-picked network of specialist equity providers. Crucially, the investors within our network are willing to inject smaller sums not usually associated with the appetite of the mainstream private equity market. They are happy to provide funding of between £100,000 and £2 million for growth-stressed or even distressed situations. In addition to a much-needed cash injection, many of our funding network will happily provide hands-on business guidance where required, giving sector-specific help to business owners on how to grow and expand, or perhaps helping manage their exit from the business where there is no succession plan in place. Equity Match is a free service, and we will be delighted to speak with any business owner who wants to explore the option of finding a suitable equity investor.